Shake your hips. Go, kuya, go. Yes, ang galing. Kuya, go. Shake your hips and shoot. Shake your hips and shoot. Ay, ang galing. Nakikita yung hidden talent ng ating mga kids dito. Okay, kapatid na pala ito yung kunin ko natin. Okay, get us strong. Very good. Shake your hips. Wow. Okay, next player, second player, kuya. Give na po kay kuya ang plastic straw. Thank you so much. Oh, shake your hips and shoot. Wala pa na isa. Okay, shake your hips and shoot. Ayun na, nagawin ko muna. Okay, third player, go. Shake your hips and shoot. Shake your hips and shoot. Go. Tama, tama, shoot. Tama, tama, shoot. Go, go, go. Okay. Last player sa kabilang grupo. Ito, next sa Facebook. Alright.
Jump!
Ano bang sasabihin?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Barbie! Palakpakan po natin ang ating community team. Okay, congratulations. Dahil po dyan, makakatanggap po sila ng ating mga presents from Mommy and Daddy. Okay, however, sa kabilang team po natin, makakatanggap po sila ng ating consolation prizes. Okay? Ulitin po natin. Sino po? Kuya. Okay. Okay, Kuya. At? Congratulations. Okay, sa kabilang team naman po natin ay okay, pili po sila. Okay, pili. Ate. Okay, sino pa ba? Sino pa ba ang wala? Okay na po. Okay, congratulations.
naman.
Makakaupo